Guys, today I'm going to show you a really different thing, which is subscription hack. So let's get started. But before you do this hack, if you have installed a YouTube app from Google Play, so just turn it off, and then go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any. Then go to youtube.com. And now let's go with the mobile YouTube. At first you're gonna see a channel like this, and now to go with the desktop mode, just go here, go to the desktop, and once you're gonna get into the desktop, just go with my channel, and on my channel you're gonna find a thing like a profile picture. Just hit that. Wait for some minutes. In Android phone. Okay. Now you can see the settings menu over here. Just hit this one. And we're gonna go here. And now you're gonna see all my channels or create a new channel. Just hit that one. And now we're gonna get into a place like this. Now I've already made I didn't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The 10 accounts. Now I can create a new channel with only one Gmail account. Now I'm gonna name the channel like test. Select category. Like I'm gonna go with other. Agree. Done. And just wait for some minutes before it takes any action. And yeah, you have another channel. Just see your channel. Now, once you've made this channel, no need to do anything else. Just get out of the Chrome, close all, go to Play Store, and if you're using the desktop computer, no need to use any of this. Just hit directly what I did. Now just go to the YouTube, activate it, open, go to your channel, and you're gonna see here is test. I'm gonna go there, and I wanna subscribe my own channel. Okay, this is my video. I've already subscribed like 7 times, all my 10 accounts. Welcome to my channel, Creative Hacks and Dine. Today I'm gonna show you something really different, which is how easily you can just take the sounds out while you do any video without editing. So let's get started. All you're gonna need is 2 mobiles, one for making the video and another one to produce. Like my video, and if you like, please give a like and please subscribe.